Pippa the Panda's Puzzling Pursuit, a tale of cleverness and kindness. In the heart of the bamboo-filled mountains, where emerald leaves rustled in the breeze and the air was filled with the sweet scent of nature, lived a clever little panda named Pippa. With her inquisitive black eyes and a mischievous twinkle, Pippa was known throughout the forest as the smartest panda in the land. Pippa's home was a cozy den nestled between the bamboo groves, where she spent her days exploring, solving puzzles, and inventing clever contraptions. The other animals in the forest admired Pippa's intelligence, and she was always eager to lend a helping paw when someone needed assistance. One sunny morning, as Pippa nibbled on bamboo shoots, she overheard a group of worried animals near the riverbank. The river had swollen after a night of heavy rain, creating a powerful current that blocked the animals' path to the other side. Pippa, sensing an opportunity to put her cleverness to the test, approached the distressed animals. "Fear not, my friends. Pippa the panda is here to help," she declared with a confident grin. The animals, grateful for Pippa's offer, explained that they needed to reach the other side of the river to find food and shelter. The current, however, was too strong, and none of them could swim across. Undeterred, Pippa observed the riverbank and the surrounding landscape. She scratched her furry chin, deep in thought, and then her eyes sparkled with an idea. "I have a plan," Pippa announced, her voice full of enthusiasm. Pippa gathered long bamboo stalks and fashioned them into sturdy rafts. She used vines to secure the bamboo, creating a series of interconnected rafts that would float across the river. Pippa, with her keen problem-solving skills, devised a way for each animal to board the rafts safely. The animals watched in awe as Pippa's plan unfolded. With precision and skill, she guided the rafts across the river, ensuring each creature reached the other side unharmed. The grateful animals, once stranded and worried, now stood on solid ground, thankful for Pippa's quick thinking. News of Pippa's clever rescue spread throughout the forest, reaching the wise old owl Oliver, who lived in the tallest tree. Impressed by Pippa's intelligence, Oliver decided to challenge her with a riddle that, if solved, would reveal a hidden treasure in the heart of the enchanted forest. The next morning, Pippa received a message from Oliver, inviting her to embark on the riddle quest. Eager for a new adventure, Pippa set off toward the towering tree where Oliver resided. Upon reaching Oliver's tree, Pippa was greeted by the wise old owl. "Greetings, Pippa. I have a riddle for you, and if you solve it, a marvelous treasure awaits you," Oliver hooted with excitement. Pippa, always up for a challenge, listened intently as Oliver presented the riddle. In the heart of the forest, where shadows dance and whispers hum, lies a secret door with a puzzle to be undone. Follow the moon's gentle glow and the stream's soft song, where fireflies play and the night is not long. Solve the riddle with wit and grace, and discover the treasure in that enchanted place. Pippa pondered the riddle, her black eyes narrowing with concentration. She thought about the landmarks mentioned: the moon, the stream, fireflies, and realized they formed a path leading to a hidden location in the forest. Determined to solve the riddle, Pippa embarked on the quest, following the moon's glow and the gentle melody of the stream. The forest, alive with magic and mystery, whispered secrets to Pippa as she ventured deeper into its heart. As Pippa approached a clearing adorned with fireflies, she noticed a peculiar arrangement of stones on the ground. Intrigued, she examined the stones and realized they formed a pattern, a puzzle waiting to be solved. With her clever mind at work, Pippa rearranged the stones, unveiling the secret door mentioned in the riddle. The door creaked open, revealing a hidden chamber filled with glistening treasures, crystals, jewels, and artifacts that sparkled in the soft glow of the moon. Pippa's heart swelled with pride as she discovered the hidden treasure, and Oliver, watching from above, hooted in approval. Pippa, now known as the brilliant bamboo explorer, had not only saved her fellow forest dwellers, but had also unlocked the secrets of the enchanted forest. News of Pippa's intelligence and bravery reached the Panda Council, the governing body of the panda community. The council, impressed by Pippa's accomplishments, invited her to join as an honorary member and share her wisdom with the pandas of the land. Pippa, with a sense of responsibility and gratitude, accepted the invitation. She became a respected member of the Panda Council, using her cleverness to solve challenges, invent new tools, and guide her fellow pandas toward a brighter future. One day, as Pippa sat among the bamboo groves, reflecting on her adventures, a young panda named Poppy approached with wide eyes filled with admiration. "Pippa, you're the smartest panda in the world. Will you teach me your clever ways?" Poppy asked, her voice filled with excitement. Pippa, touched by Poppy's eagerness to learn, smiled warmly. "Of course, Poppy. Knowledge is meant to be shared. Let's embark on new adventures together and unravel the mysteries that await us in the bamboo-filled mountains." And so, Pippa and Poppy, the dynamic duo of clever pandas, ventured into the heart of the enchanted forest, ready to face new challenges, solve puzzles, and inspire their fellow creatures with the magic of intelligence, kindness, and the joy of discovery. The bamboo groves echoed with their laughter, a testament to the enduring spirit of Pippa, the panda, the brilliant bamboo explorer.